What's up, guys? So today, Icosahedron. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notifications. We use round bar. This guy is 3 inches long. There's 30 of them to make 20 equal sides. We use a jig, and the jig, a couple hex nuts, little guy here, that gets our angle and the next piece we put on. So these guys here, once we tack that, this here is a perfect V for in here. That's all we do. That's all we do is we tack the V's and then we just build them on there. We spin it around. The last one covers the last one here, right? So we did a V here, and then one of the edges covers here. We're open here, turn it, we're gonna cover that one, turn it, we'll cover that one, and then we go over here, we'll turn it, and then we'll build around all over. And that's what this guy here is for. We're gonna tack like that. Hey guys, like and subscribe. Next step, let's build. There. And this next one goes in here like this. It sits up on top of that little kickstand right there. And that's where we get our angle from. 15 V's tacked up. Sometimes a little manipulating. No big deal. From here, turn it. Sometimes there's a bit of a big gap there. We'll heat up the tack and move it over with our helmet on, and we'll just pull it over with the heat. Hey guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notifications. Dab, 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 fill and circle. All right, so after welding, we hang them in that little, where they all meet, and they stay pretty good. Paint. And once we paint it, we'll take it off the hook once it's dry, and we'll rotate it onto the next one, so that where we had it painted gets the paint over here, and in the different areas it gets in the little holes better. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please turn on the notifications, and give me a big thumbs up.